I'll never know why some needs are worn. I can't explain the rainbow in the storm. It's you I adore. That's all I It's you I adore. That's all I know.
I gotta go. Oh, just got off. Ah, sucker. You hit the kill switch.
Well, looks like JP's gonna have to find the battery of this thing.
Good charge. Can you not kick it?
Dude,
Do I need to come kick it?
shut up. I can kick it.
Leg up.
Alright. So I gotta figure out how to charge this thing's battery. So we're running with a GoPro Hero 10 now. Everybody's got good quality. Well, at least everybody should have good quality.
Oh, that's heavy.
What y'all doing? Alright.
He went through the trails that me and I get whacked on.
But yeah, so Ethan, he's getting a mic, so he don't have a mic right now, but he's getting one for his, and then Alec, he's gonna go without a mic. We're trying to get Alec up into the dirt bike stuff. He's trying to buy my bike, but I don't have another bike. Taking a lot of brakes off and stuff, but we're finally somewhat back. Oh gosh, there's gonna be big old spiders in here, big old webs. Big old spiders. We haven't went down here in, I mean, forever.
Ride both brakes, not just one. Woo! Oh, whoa! This ah, this is sketchy. This is sketchy. Ride your rear harder than your front. It'll keep you from sliding as bad.
Yep.
What kind of hand is that? Turn on your GoPro.
It's a no-no hand.
Turn on your GoPro. Alec already knows the drill.
I'm a professional vlogger out here, bro.
Oh yeah.
I know what I'm doing. Nathan, if you ever watch this, you're a fag. Just letting you know.
On the hill. Oh, there he is.
So we just went down there and hung out for a little bit. Now we're heading back. Whew!
There, man. Go.
Are you in first? Are you in first?
Second.
Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you boys on the next one. Peace.